Friday morning, fine. Don't hiccup. Hiccup. Today engineering don't dry. Don't enjoy or concentration. She works things on television. Dawn is nothing. Oh no, I can't think. I have makeup. Mother, is it scar? Surprise! And hiccup. Little fingers in the yard. Still hiccup. Cháu cờ sẽ lại lên. The dawn still hiccup. Here is dawn. The grass, the world. Don't get upside down. Don't hiccup. Go. She is happy. She combs her hair. The music plays. She sings her song. You can say yeah, yeah, six in your face, the lies in the two never strong. We go out like candles in your song. It's beautiful. A song and tune. Bye bye.